QuickEMR, flex fields allow you to create custom fields for your cases so you can capture exactly the information your practice needs. These fields can be organized into groups that show within the patient's case, display on the patient portal, and are even included on printed documentation. In this video, we will walk through how to create, manage, and use flex fields within your QuickEMR system. To get started, you will first need to hover over Settings, then Case Customization, and click on Flex Fields. This will take you to the Flex Field Builder, where all of your custom fields are created and managed. The first thing you will need to do is select your patient type. More patient types can be added to your system by navigating to Lists, General, Patient Type. The created flex fields will be tied to the associated patient type, meaning they will only show in the cases for the selected type of patient. Now that you have selected your patient type, you will want to create your first group. To do this, simply click Add Group. This creates a new section where your newly created fields will live. Think of groups as categories, like patient details or injury information. You can create multiple groups to keep everything organized and easy to navigate. Now that the group is created, we can add our first field. Inside your newly created group, click the plus icon. From here, you'll enter the field name, the field type, and any optional settings, like whether you want this field to show on the patient portal, whether it will print on documentation printouts, or if the field is required in order to save the case. Once you're done, click Save. Flex fields allow you to create multiple different field types. Each field type controls how data is entered and how much space it will take within a selected group. Each group has a maximum of 10 usage units, so it's important to plan accordingly based upon how much space you can take up on the page with the system's formatting. For example, a simple text field uses 2 units. A text area uses 4 units. A checkbox only uses 1 unit. You can mix and match field types however you'd like, as long as the total stays within that limit. Also, if you're using a select list, you can include up to 20 options within that dropdown. To save time, you can also copy and reuse fields. If you want to copy a single field, simply hover over the desired field and click the copy icon. You can then paste your field into another group. You can also copy an entire template and paste it into another patient type. This is especially useful if you have similar workflows across different case types. Once your fields are created, they will appear directly within the patient's case. Simply navigate to a patient and open their case, and then click on the Flex Fields tab. You will then see all of your fields grouped exactly how you designed them, ready for you to use. If you opted for your created fields to show within the patient portal, they will also display within the portal when sent to the patient. This means that when the patient completes their portal and it is imported into their case, the flex fields will automatically populate with whatever they entered. When enabled, these fields will appear under Additional Info in the portal, organized by each created group. Flex fields can also be included within your reports. To view them, you can go to Settings, General, Case List. Once there, check the box for Show Flex Fields and click Get Results. Your custom fields will appear as additional columns within this report. If you no longer need a field, you can make it inactive by clicking the red X icon. This removes it from being currently active for use within the case, but keeps any existing data safe for future reference. If needed, you can always reactivate it by enabling Show Inactive and dragging it back into the inactive group. Flex fields give you the flexibility to fully customize your cases, helping you capture the exact data your practice needs while keeping everything organized and easy to access. If you ever need assistance with setting up your flex fields, our support team is always ready and happy to help.